Alright guys, so let's break down Meta using our smart money concept. And this chart clearly shows where the liquidity was taken, where institutions entered, and what level matter next. So I have already write down the levels even before starting the video, so you guys can keep a screenshot with you while trading on Monday. Alright, and now let's discuss how these levels can be possible. Okay, so very first thing, what we are looking into the chart, and this is a 5-minute chart, but let's go back to 30 minutes first to understand why these levels I have mentioned in the chart. So if we look on 19, which is a Friday, December 19, what exactly happened? The market has swept the liquidity levels, and this is not just a 30-minute order block. This is a big order block of 4 hours where market has rejected Meta, and this order block is up to 676. It means if the Meta is unable to break this 676, right, then like still it has a bearish structure. So do not try, if you are in a swing, then it's a different thing, but I would love to open any swing position once Meta is crossing 676, then I end surviving. Okay, so let's go back for this week again. Go back to our 5-minute chart. These are the levels I have mentioned, right? So what I have mentioned, buy only above 660 target. And why I'm saying this, if you look at Meta right now, then Meta grab the liquidity already right at bottom, which is 658.22. Then it makes a good order block of 660 where we do see a lot of buying occurred, and this occurred in aftermarket, right? So looks like some institution again went into the Meta big. So 660 is one of the level where I would love to buy, right? So market would come back, tap this level, grab the liquidity one more time, and this time I'm hoping the first target would be 661 to 662. If we are able to successfully break this above, consolidate, then the next target is 65. Okay, similarly, if market or Meta breaks this level 660 and 659 and started to consolidate below this order block, then our target is 655. So what is important? Important is this level. This 660 to 659 is very important level. Mark this level on your chart and do the trading.